Hello everyone, welcome to Guidely. This is Aditya. So first of all, big congratulations to all the candidates shortlisted for the interview of either PNB Credit Officer or Central Bank of India Credit Officer. Result check नहीं किया है तो कर लीजिए, already out हो चुका है. So one of the most important question when you are going for this interview will be, what are the roles and responsibility of a credit officer in bank, or what is the need of credit officer? Why not bank PO? भाई क्या जरूरत क्या क्रेडिट ऑफिसर की, ऐसा क्या काम क्रेडिट ऑफिसर करता है जो पीओ नहीं कर सकता? That can be a question. Now, why this common video, sir? Why PNB CBI altogether? So it is a video based on the profile of credit officer. So it does not matter you're going for PNB interview or Central Bank of India interview, because the position is same, designation is same, roles and responsibilities are going to be same only. ठीक है? So watch this video till end to get the complete idea about what is the need of credit officer or what are the roles and responsibilities of credit officer in detail, in depth. Before that, one important information: my separate batches for Central Bank of India Credit Officer and PNB Credit Officer are live over the Guidely platform. You can join the batches to cover the relevant content for the interview, including the data. Like in Central Bank of India batch, you will be able to get complete data regarding Central Bank of India. Gross NPA, net NPA, after that profitability, full ratios, everything, every data about Central Bank of India. Similar to that, डेटा ऑफ पीएनबी विल बी अवेलेबल इन द बैच ऑफ पंजाब नेशनल बैंक. ठीक है, बाकी सब तो काफी कुछ सेम ही रहेगा बिकॉज ऑफ द पोजीशन इज सेम. ठीक है, चलिए. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल द क्वेश्चन इज roles and responsibility of credit officer. So one thing you should understand, credit officer is a scale one position in the bank which deal with the assets of bank. इनका काम क्या है? ये बैंक के assets के साथ डील करते हैं. Assets, what is the meaning of assets of a bank? Meaning of assets means from where bank is able to generate profit in future. So investment made by the bank, loans provided by the bank, credit card issues by the bank, cash credit issues by the bank, overdraft issues by the bank, overall lending facilities. So lending facilities, either it is fund based or non-fund based lending, everything will be the part of assets of bank apart from investment. So from the investment also banks are able to generate profit. Investment means banks are investing in the government securities, banks are investing in the corporate bond. In that area we don't need credit officer, but we need credit officer where bank is able to generate profit by the lending functions. तो lendings में तो जरूरत पड़ेगी, loans में, advances में, credit appraisals के लिए, that what is the profile of this customer, is this customer fit for this particular loan or not, what is LTV, loan to value ratio in this particular case, what is the depth of collateral, collateral कैसा है, based on this collateral, based on LTV, how much loan we can provide. उन सारी चीजों के लिए चाहिए होगा credit officer. करेक्ट है? So what are the functions? Functions की बात करें, so first of all, credit officer is the head of the credit department, responsible for analyzing the credit worthiness of the customer. तो एक टर्म कहलाती है सिविल स्कोर, which runs between 300 to 900, 300 lowest, 900 highest. आप कभी चेक करिएगा what is your civil score. ठीक है, it should be 650 plus for any examination conducted by IBPS और SBI. तो 650 प्लस जरूरी मांगा जाता है क्रेडिट स्कोर आपका. सो सिविल स्कोर चेक करना, दिस इज व्हाट द रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ऑफ क्रेडिट ऑफिसर. इफ आई टॉक अबाउट द बेसिक लेवल, सो एज अ क्रेडिट ऑफिसर, इफ यू आर सिटिंग इन योर बैंक ब्रांच, a customer approaches to you and asking that, sir, I want to apply for home loan, what are the document required. तो अब एक कस्टमर आपसे ब्रांच में आके पूछता है, सर बताइए ना सर, मुझे लोन के लिए अप्लाई करना है, ये पर्टिकुलर लोन है, क्या क्या डॉक्यूमेंट्स चाहिए. सो यू शुड टेल देम अबाउट द डॉक्यूमेंट. दीज आर द डॉक्यूमेंट रिक्वायर्ड फॉर द होम लोन बोरोवर्स. ठीक है, और बिजनेस लोन बोरोवर्स. तो आपको लिस्ट ऑफ डॉक्यूमेंट पता होना चाहिए. आई हैव कवर्ड इन द बैच फॉर योर काइंड इंफॉर्मेशन. सेकेंड थिंग, when you have given the information about the document, they will come with the document. Now your task is to verify the document, that all the list of document available or not available. If any additional document required, then collect it from the customer. Then start initiation, that is loan processing facility. उसके बाद आपको क्या करना है? लोन प्रोसेस करना है. Once the loan is in process, then you need to check LTV of the loan, collateral check करना in case of the collateral is available. So types of collateral also you should know, what is the difference between hypothecation, pledge and mortgage. ये सब connected topics हैं. When you are applying for it, you should be aware about this. Because when you will be telling about the roles and responsibility of credit officer, you will get the cross question after that. What is LTV, what is collateral, how many types of collaterals are there, वो सब questions आपके line में लगे होंगे इस particular answer के बाद, ठीक है. So what should be answer? Sir, as a credit officer performing the desk job, I need to connect with the customer, giving them information about the loan document, collecting the loan document, processing the loan, doing the verification of the collateral, going through with the calculation of loan to value ratio, LTV calculation karna, analyzing the credit worthiness of the customer, maintaining the good relation with the customers, so they will be able to pay the EMIs on time, ताकि वो EMI time पर pay करते रहे. After that, SMA, special mention account 0, 1 and 2. Credit officer is responsible for maintenance the data of SMA 0, 1 and 2 in case of EMI became due. Even first EMI became due, credit officer is responsible for connecting with the customer, convincing him to start repaying the EMI back, not to allow loan to become NPA. And in case of NPA, again credit officer is responsible for the recovery. तो काम क्या क्या होगा क्रेडिट ऑफिसर के? कस्टमर से कनेक्ट करो, लोन का प्रोसेस समझाओ, डॉक्यूमेंट कलेक्ट करो, प्रोसेस करो, वेरीफाई करो, लोन इश्यू करो, उसके बाद ये भी चेक करो कि वो लोन प्रॉपरली ईएमआई पे कर रहा है. इट शुड बी स्टैंडर्ड एसेट. अगर एसएमए हुआ है, स्पेशल मेंशन अकाउंट में कन्वर्ट हुआ है, कनेक्ट विद द कस्टमर, कन्विंस हिम टू पे द ईएमआई. In case it become NPA, then recovery of NPA. So all these are the task of credit officer. Apart from this, credit officer also required some time. The student पूछते हैं मुझसे after selection, sir, is it a field job? It is a combination of both field and desk job. Correct है. Similar to PO. PO is also not a complete desk job. That is also required. Sometimes PO is required to go into the field. यहाँ पर भी वही है. So promotion of loan product, promotion of credit card, connecting with the new customer, converting them to take the loan from your bank or taking the credit facility from your bank, वो भी आपके काम है. That is also your task. So this is what the credit officer do, all the task. ठीक है? That is why credit officer is one of the most important pillar of the bank, because credit officer is responsible for creation of asset, maintenance of asset, and recovery of non-performing asset if the asset become non-performing. तो मैंने आपको बहुत सिंपल तरीके से समझाने की कोशिश की रूल्स एंड रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ऑफ क्रेडिट ऑफिसर. इफ यू अंडरस्टैंड इट, लाइक द वीडियो, please like it, share it with your friends, and give the information about the batches are live by the Aditya Sir for the credit officer on the Guidely platform. So join without any hesitation. Make this batch as your one-stop solution for the complete preparation of your upcoming interview. All the best for your interview, guys. Take care. Jai Hind. Let me know in the chat box the next topic you want me to cover over the YouTube.